Hello and welcome to the section 3 of the course, Access Controls Part 2. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We are going to learn about the access control operations and I'm going to explain you all the components inside it. Let's start with the first video, section objectives. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to learn about the objectives of this section or what we are going to learn here, and I'm going to explain the points. Let's talk about the objectives of this section or what we are going to learn here in this section. So we are going to learn first of all about IEEE 802.1x. We will learn about max security inside your network. We'll learn about radius protocols, TACX protocols, NAC and RAT protocols, and finally IPsec and SSL or TLS VPN. So these are the topics we are going to cover here in this section.